Hi everyone! Welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Before we get started, I'm going to remind you we are doing hybrid Storytimes, which means on top of Storytimes online here, we are also doing them in person at the library. The in-person version for these Storytimes for the toddler/preschool age group are at 10:30 a.m. on Mondays. Okay, now that that's out of the way, are you guys ready for story time? Awesome! This week we're reading books about stars. No. This week our theme is stars. That means this week we're going to read some books about space and stargazing. Okay, our first book is Stars, Stars, Stars by Bob Barner, published by Chronicle Books. Stars, stars, stars. I want to see planets and stars. Bright stars twinkling above big city lights. Distant planets glowing over black country nights. Constellations that take shape when I connect them with lines. Milky Way stars shining 200 billion times. The sun that burns with golden light, hot planet Mercury turning slowly in the night. Venus, the evening star, first planet to shine in the twilight sky. Blue-green Earth with the dusty moon orbiting by. Stormy Mars glowing red in the vastness of space. Giant planet Jupiter moving with grace. Saturn circled by rings and Uranus spinning on its side. Windy Neptune and tiny Pluto orbiting wide. Shooting stars streaking tails of sparkling light. The Big Dipper holding a scoop of night. Stars, stars, stars. I want to see planets and stars tonight. That was Stars, Stars, Stars. What did you think? I know Pluto's not a planet anymore, but it's still my favorite. What's your favorite planet? Okay, our next one is Touch the Brightest Star by Christie Matheson, published by Greenwillow Books. Magic happens every night. First, wave goodbye to the sun's bright light. Bye. Wave goodbye. Gently press the firefly. Your turn. Press it. Oh! Press again to light up the sky. Press it. Now let's blow a quiet breeze. Come on, blow a breeze. Pat the deer and say good night, please. Pat, pat, pat. Go ahead and pat the deer. Tap the sky beside the tree. Your turn. Look at that. Make a wish and count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, your turn. Swipe the sky from left to right. So go like this. You try. Wow! Now blink your eyes. Blink, 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 blink. What a starry night. Touch the brightest star you see. Psst, it's right there near the tree. It's this one. Touch it. Touching it. Trace the picture of the dipper. That's a kind of spoon. All right, your turn. Look, a little one. Time to whisper, "Come out, moon." Ready? Come out, moon. Watch the sky and call, "Woo! Woo!" Then turn the page to see who's new. Rub the owls on their heads. It's their turn to fly to bed. Give them a little rub on the head. And give them a little rub on the head. Your turn. Close your eyes and breathe in deeply. Nod your head if you feel sleepy. Shh. When you open your eyes again, the magic of day begins. And here's some more of those special words that we use today. Alright, that was Touch the Brightest Star. Did you like that one? I liked how it had all sorts of things for us to do. Alright everyone, thank you for coming to Storytime. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with Storytime. At the library, you can get something called a Storytime kit, which is a fun-filled activity kit that goes with the books you read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can read with your grown-ups. This week, our craft are these fun star glasses. Yours will probably fit better. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for the Monday story times and one for the Wednesdays, so you want to make sure to grab the right kits, or you could end up with something completely different. The kits for this story time are in the Toddler / Preschool crate. They are the red ones. We have new kits every week, so make sure to grab one every time we do a new story time. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. And I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. Bye!